Got my eyes on the prize. Watch me wait it rise. Watch these bombs that I drop. 'Cause I want it all.
Mom, dad away, and this boy is always up to something.
I want it all.
Feeling hungry? Should I prepare something for you? Naughty.
I said I want it. I want it. I want it. I want it. Break it down now. Yeah. Break it down now. Yeah. Break it down now.
Akku,
Just break it down now. Yeah. You say what?
beta Akku, please get me some water. Akku, Akku, Akku.
Throw your hands up in the air if you feel it in your heart. Throw your hands up in it. Let's start. I want it.
Yes! Finally! Why is this globe lying here? Dadi? 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 What happened, Dadi? What happened to you, Dadi? Please get up, Dadi. Dadi?
Ma, how are you feeling now?
Doctor was saying your BP had shot up. He has prescribed some medicines. There is nothing to worry now. Everything will be fine.
Ma, there's a slight injury because of the fall. But you'll be fine in no time. How's this possible? How could she have fallen like that? She must have cried in pain, called out for help. Where were you?
Papa, I was in the bathroom. Maybe that's why I couldn't hear.
What's with these? Huh? That makes you forget whether you are on a street or at home. You should remember that while crossing the road, your eyes and ears should be focusing on the road. It's common sense. He would have been run over by a car today, thanks to these.
Akku, what is it?
Akku beta, don't you see how one little incident with Dadi had us all so worried? It took just a small event to turn our lives upside down. Akku, life is precious. A good, healthy life is a blessing, beta. Learn to value it. Are these people mad or what? Is this any way to cross the road? Crossing diagonally, and top of that, they can't get their heads out of their phones. Hello? If they cross like that, accident is bound to happen. Kids, grown-ups, seems like no one's bothered about their own lives these days. Yeah, I heard you. This is the limit. They have to be taught a lesson.
Papa? Papa, please stop the car.
Arey, he'll get away.
Papa? Papa? Papa, please stop the car.
What happened?
Papa, you were constantly overspeeding, and upon it, you were rash driving on a blind turn. Papa, you only told me yesterday how a little incident turned our lives upside down. Now, what if something happens to you or me? Our entire family would be suffering, right?
Sorry, beta.
Papa, I need to confess something.
What? Is it again about low grades in exam?
No, Papa, it's.
This time he must have failed only. Okay, just kidding. Tell me.
Papa, that day, when Dadi. That day, I was not in the bathroom. I was listening to loud music on my headphones. Dadi had to suffer so much because of me. I should have been a little more responsible. I'm really sorry, Papa.
Come here. Beta, speaking the truth and learning from your mistakes, there's no bigger lesson in life than that. And I'm happy you understood that. Remember that day when you corrected me in the car, and today you corrected yourself. Always be proud of yourself, just the way I'm proud of you. Our Akku's all grown up now. Dadi's darling.